Hey, so Ken here at Waters Garden. Let me just show you some of my backyard. This is my steps. We love to entertain. And so we've got this huge steep lot. So we take these light colored plants. I wanted to show one off to you. This is called Rainbow Ascot Euphorbia. It's got a flower like this. Then it's got foliage that looks like this. Is that gorgeous? Look at that. It glows in the dark, which is why we put that here. So when we're entertaining and the grill's powered down, we've had our last glass of wine or sip some tea, watching that sunset go away, people always leave out the side gate. I don't know why. I tell them to go like through the house, but no, they want to go out the side gate. These plants actually illuminate. I've purposely put light colored plants here to show off this walkway as they go up to the front driveway. And so you can strategically make your landscapes safer for your guest just by putting in the right kind of plants, ones that glow in the dark. And Rainbow Ascot Euphorbia, easy to grow, evergreen, succulent. So nothing eats it. Javelina, rabbits, it's so easy to care for, and it glows in the dark. In your gardens too.